Yeah, in this tutorial, we're going to be open a KDP account. Um, and we have like the requirements for opening this account. You having an email address. You already have your bank account details, which I've done a video earlier on how you can do that. You can check my video. Or if you don't have that, I will still walk you through on how you can open your bank account details, where your royalty will be dropped when you make sales. That will be later times. Now, and you need a government issued ID card. This is because presently Amazon is carrying out some verification processes, and it involves you verifying with your government issued ID card. Then if your names, those names you use on your ID cards is different from what is on Amazon, this may lead to termination of account, which means presently it is declared to use your name as used in your ID card, in your identification card. You can either make use of your national ID card, make use of your passport and all, but this is what is required for now. And in the process of creating that account, there are like 3 stages. The first stage involves creating the account, whereby you use your basic information. The second stage involve you updating your bank account details, and the last stage is your tax, updating your tax information, which I'm going to walk you through all the process. Now, you may likely want to make use of your PC as a PC user to do this process, but for flexibility, I'm going to be using my mobile phone to walk us through the process. And I believe one way or the other you have an Android or an iPhone, and this will aid you to open the account as quick as possible. Now, what is the first thing? This is an Android phone. What do you have to do? The first thing to do is to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store and download Amazon shopping app, and then just click on it, then click on install. Now, having gotten your app installed, the next thing is just to click on open. From this, you have this interface and you click done. Now, from this point, you have to sign into your account. Are you already a customer? This new to Amazon.com, create an account. This is what you are going to click on. You click on create an account. You are new to Amazon. Then you click on it. The next on it is just for you to create your name, and this is highly important that when you are entering your details here, make sure your names on your ID card tallies with what you are going to provide here. Now, the first involve your first and your last name, then you enter your email, then you create a password. Having done that, you verify your email. You click on verify. Then on the next page, an OTP will be sent to your email, and this is a copy that and go back to the OTP board, and you create an account. Now from here, you've successfully created Amazon account and all. Now what you have to do now is to click on this image, click on your account, then you have all these menus. We are up to changing the means of how we receive our OTP, because sometimes we can be in a country whereby receiving OTP may not be possible. Now we can navigate different medium on how we receive OTP. If you are from Nigeria, it will be advisable you use your Google Authenticator to be receiving your one-time password from Amazon. Now, once you get to this point, go to your login and security, which is this point. Now click on login and security. Then at this point, you will go to 2-step verification, you are going to turn it on, then click on it. Having clicked on two-step authenticator, you will have two means on how you can do that. Now, if you are from US or other countries, you can use your own mobile line number, or whichever ways, you can still use authenticator app. Now, for countries like Nigeria, you make use of your authenticator app. Now, click on authenticator app, copy this text. Once copied, go to your Play Store, type in Google Authenticator, and you will have this. Just because I've installed mine on my phone, on my mobile phone, I have it open there. All you just have to do is to click on open. Now, once you click on open, you will have a plus button. Click on this plus button. You see there will be a display of scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Click on the setup key. Then you have account name and your key. All you just have to do is just for you to enter any name, maybe Amazon KDP. You put in that same key that you copy from Amazon, then put it on that's your key, paste it and add it. Once you add it, the code will be displayed. All you just have to do is copy the code and then go back to your Amazon app, then enter the one-time code. You can verify. It can be done here. All you just have to do is don't require OTP in this browser. You can turn it on, then turn on your now here you have added your app. This is what you get. You have turned on your authenticator, which means successfully you have done the first part of how you can open your Amazon through your shopping on. Let's go to our browser. Go to Chrome, your Chrome browser. Now, on your search button, click on kdp.amazon.com. Click on this .com. Now, excuse me. Now, once you click on that search, now you have this interface. You have to sign in. Then you'll be led to enter your OTP. All you just have to do is to go back to your authenticator to copy the one-time password that you have there. Then, having done that, put it in, paste your one-time password, then click sign in. Click on sign in. Now here you have agree. Click on agree. This is the first stage of opening the account. You have successfully created an Amazon KDP account. Yeah, having created an account, we'll be moving to the next stage, and this next stage involves you updating your bank information. Initially, I told you that before you can create a KDP account and be able to publish, there are 3 stages involved, of which the first one is creating your account, the second one is updating your bank information, and the third one involves you updating your tax information. Now we are done with the first one. Here we are going to be updating our account with our bank information. As you can see on the dashboard that you have to complete your information to publish a book, which means you cannot publish a book until you are done with the other 2 stages. Now let me walk you through the process. Go to your account, click your account. You can either click the one in between this sentence, please provide the required information on your account, or you go to your account here, but whichever ways. Let me click the one that is in between the information. Now click. Now you'll be redirected to to this page whereby you have your identity. Now looking at this information here, you have your account details, you have getting paid and tax information. Under this part, you go to your identity. All you have to do here is just to enter your details as they appear on your government issued ID card. I think I made mention of this earlier, and I want you to take note of this. Make sure the information you are going to be providing here is what is on your government issued ID card. Any discrepancies may lead to Amazon terminating your account. Just follow the process as it's being taught here. Now we have account security, the name as it has been said. Now let's go to the legal name. Put in your legal name. It is in your government issued ID card. Let me quickly walk you save and continue. Now having done this, your identity is verified as individual. Then getting paid. This getting paid involves your bank details, and initially, if you are yet to see my video on how to open international account, like the possible financial account you are going to be using to create an account, you can watch my video on how to create a Gray account or how to create a Gig Pay account. Now if you are to see my video on that, kindly go check my video on how to create a Gray account or a Gig Pay account. But for this tutorial, I'll be making use of Gray account to update my banking information. Now let's quickly do that. Here, getting paid. Provide your bank information to receive electronic royalty payment. Tell us about your bank. Now let me go to my Gray account. In your Gray account, you have this interface, your US dollars. Once you click on this arrow down, you have list of bank account numbers you have gotten. Now if there's anyone you've not gotten, you can just apply for it. But once you watch my video, you'll be able to do all these things to avoid wasting much time. Now this is our US account. You click on it, then here you click on this arrow just to get your details. Here we have all our details on dashboard. Now go to your Amazon. Then where is your bank? Where's your bank? Since it's a US account we are using, our account is in the United States. You click on that. Type of account is checking. It's checking. Then account number, you go to your Gray or your Gig Pay, then click copy the account number, then navigate to your account number section and just paste. Now re-enter the account number. Then you can also still paste there if it's allowed. Okay, it's allowed. Now you can paste there. Then routing number, navigate to your Gray account. Here is an ACH routing account. You click on it, then you go back to your Amazon KDP, then you paste your routing number. You paste it. Now looking at this, you have your 9-digit business type, individual or corporation. You are an individual, and if possibly you have an LLC and you want to open a corporate account, you are good to go. Now select corporation if you are representing a corporate entity, that and that. Now enter the date of birth for the recipient of the fund. The date of birth. Now you have to re-enter your date of birth. Now click on it. Now once entered, you will be required to enter the name of the person. Now you just paste in your name, then select existing address, click on it, use this address, add. By doing this, now you can see almost done. Click save at the button to complete updating your information. You can just click save to complete that. Once you click on save, you see you are set up to receive payments for sales across all Amazon markets. This is where your royalty will be dropped. Now Amazon pays royalty at like 2 months, 60 days after making sales. Not like making sales like 2 months after a month, that is when Amazon make payments. Now the third stage, having done with updating account, we move to the third stage, which involves tax information. This is very important to update or to be able to publish book on Amazon, and that is tax information. Now complete your tax. This is what you have. You click on complete your tax, then it walks you to the process of completing your tax. Here, select English. What is your tax classification? That's individual. Are you a United States citizen, US permanent resident, you have a green card, or other US resident alien? Now, if you are from United States, or you have your permanent resident card, or you have your green card, you can click on yes, else you click on no. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or other persons receiving payment on behalf of another person, or as a flow through entity? Now, no. Tax identity information. Now you put in your full name, country of citizenship. You pick your country. This is Nigeria. Address is there. Country, mailing address. Now, for your country, if you have a TIN number and it is recognized, you can use it. But if you don't, you have to click on okay, I have a non-US TIN. But if you are based in US, you can put your TIN. I have a non-US TIN. Now, but if you don't have the TIN, just untick this. I have a non-US TIN. Untick it. Once you untick it, you have possible options. Why are you not able to provide a TIN? The country where I'm liable to pay tax does not issue TIN to its residents. If that is the reason why, you can tick that. You can click on that. I have applied for TIN but haven't received it yet. If that is the case, you can click on that. If you want to get EIN from US and you have one information or the other, you can just reach out to me on my email below. I'll walk you through. I could not or have not obtained TIN from my local authorities because of other reasons there. But I am going to select I have applied for a TIN but haven't received it yet, because I will still have to put my tax number when it's gotten. Now, all you just have to do is to continue. Now, once you click on continue, now you have I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person identifier on line 1 of this form. You click on that. Then you write your full name. Let me see. Okay, you see. Now, because I do not have TIN and the country which I'm based charged for tax, there will be tax withholding rate of 30%, and you are done with your correction. Now, exit interview. Now, once you vet, look at the bookshelf. Initially, you will see that there is a flag of you have to update before you can publish a book. But right now, having done with all the stages, what do you have? It has disappeared. Now you can publish. You see create, manage, and publish a book. This is how you can successfully create an Amazon account to start publishing your book. Thank you. Now we'll see in the next tutorial. Just stay with me. If you are yet to subscribe on my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and follow me for more updates on how to publish and make money. Thank you very much.